Hello, welcome to our channel. Today's topic may surprise many people. Eggshells. Most people throw them away without thinking twice. But some people dry them, grind them into powder, then use them as a natural calcium source. So, is eggshell powder actually useful? Let's begin with what eggshells contain. Eggshells are mostly made of calcium carbonate. Calcium is important for your body. It supports bones, teeth, muscle function. This is why some people use very small amounts of eggshell powder in their diet. But preparation is extremely important. Raw eggshells may contain harmful bacteria. Because of this, eggshells should always be cleaned carefully. Many people boil them for several minutes first. Then they dry them completely. After that, they grind them into very fine powder. Large, sharp pieces should never be consumed. Now let's talk about usage. This is where many people make mistakes. Eggshell powder should only be used in very small amounts. Too much calcium may create problems inside the body. For some people, around 1–2 grams per week may already be enough. Moderation matters. Some people mix small amounts with yogurt, kefir, honey, water. But balance is very important. More is not always better. Too much calcium may affect kidneys, create stomach discomfort, disturb mineral balance. Another important point is safety. People with kidney problems should be especially careful. Children should also avoid excessive use. Now here is the truth. Eggshell powder is not a miracle cure. It is simply a possible supplemental calcium source. Nothing more. Healthy habits always matter more than extreme trends. Because real health is built through balance. Small, smart choices. Repeated over time. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Take care.